Okay, I got a little bit of baling action there for you on my iPhone, and I did get some on the GoPro a little bit. Just have to see how it all winds up. This field here, looking out all across here, 24 acres, made 48 rolls, 48 bales. We sold 33 to a horse guy over here near us, and he bought 33, and there's 15, there should be 15 left out there. Yeah, 15. 3, 6, 9, 2, yeah, 3, 6, 9, 11, 13, plus 5 is 18. So there's 18 bales left. Whatever. Anyway, there's still bales here. We'll have to get these at a later date because my uncle is round baling the alfalfa and wheat right now, and that is our first priority, is to get that in the barn. Get both of those in the barn before it rains. And it's not supposed to do anything tonight, but as you can see, it's clouding up. So yeah, that's where I'm headed right now, is to the that field, and to see what's going on. I'll just leave the 64 up here. 6310's down there. It's got a hay spear on it, and the hay wagons are down there, so we'll have to see what's going on. So thanks for watching. Please comment, rate, and subscribe. We'll catch you all in the next one. All right, everything here is raked up. They've already taken one load. That is 2 wagons, which has 6 bales. The 6310's got the back hay fork on and the front hay spear. So that's 2, that's 8. And then I got my truck with my cousin's little bumper pull trailer. He just hooked me up to, and we'll haul a couple on that and try to definitely get this show on the road. So I'm gonna go park down there where it'll be a little bit more feasible, and we'll get this show on the road.